Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here with the FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, happy Thanksgiving if you're in the US, and today is Black Friday. And make sure you watch this video because I've got a very, very powerful and brand new trading offer for you. So, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe now. If you're already in the Facebook or not already in the private free Facebook educational group, you can head over now and simply type that into your browser or simply click the link below on the YouTube channel and you can head over and join the private Facebook group. Okay, so offer today is, my friend, if you've been following me for quite a while now, you know that I trade a kind of supply and demand, support and resistance institutional trading method. And up until now, I was able to automate it around 90% of the time, but I still had to do my analysis, simply identify the zones and how to wait for price to come down into the zones before I could load my EA coming down into those zones. Okay, now what I've been able to do is program it. So we simply load the Price Pro FXAce Price Pro indicator onto the charts. We have the settings to show the settings of this indicator. This is currently for daytime trading, and okay, make sure that this is false, bands is false, the arrows enabled are false. We only want to see solid zones, so we'll have solid untested zones true and the rest of them all false. Okay, false, and true. Okay, and you can change the color codes here. So I've got my demand areas are dark green and my supply areas and support or resistance areas are red. Okay, now I'm only looking to trade at these areas here, the darker areas on the daily or the 4 hour. See, this is an untested 4 hour one here, this area here, and an untested daily one here, which is more or less where it hit yesterday. Okay, so those are the two areas. If I was coming in today, I'll be looking to use this method on. Okay, I'm looking to buy here or sell here. Okay, so what I would usually have to do is simply have to pick a direction and wait for price to come in, either come in to this zone, approaching this zone, okay, to get the signal, or approaching this zone to get the signal. Now I do not have to do that, okay, because we have the FXAce max support and resistance EA. Okay, so if you trade pivot points or support, any type of support and resistance, this EA is for you. Okay, so what we'll simply do, this is all the settings here, the prefix. Okay, so since we're trading 4 hour and daily zones, for me I'm going to have a 1 hour, 30 minute and 15 minute signal. Okay, and the signal for that gets us into the market is a MACD divergence signal. Okay, so I've tested many different stochastic divergence signals, RSI divergence signals. I've built indicators and built robots for those types of divergences, and the most powerful, most accurate one inside these institutional buying and selling areas is a MACD divergence. It's the most accurate, and that's the one that is programmed into this EA. Okay, so what will happen is we've got to put, for our support lines, we've got to put our SUP into the name, and resistance, we've got to put RES into the line also, which is shown in a minute. Okay, so signal, we're looking to only take signals to the 1 hour, the 30 minute and the 15 minute charts. Okay, everything else. Okay, so you'll simply go to the horizontal line, put your RES, okay, into the area, RES in the description also, and down here you put your support, which is SUP and SUP. Okay, so now the EA is simply, so we'll just have to measure or take profit. Stop loss is going to be about 40 pips, and a similar story for this one. Underneath the zone will be, say, 50 pips both. Okay, so 50-50 for stop loss, and Our take profit is simply going to be the opposing zone. So when it comes down here, it's going to be 80, say 90 pips and 90 pips. Okay, so simply you'll go into the EA and you'll do your stop loss at 50 and your take profit at 100%. What does it say? 100 pips. Okay, that's if you're measuring the pips. Okay, so another method that I use is close at opposite divergence. So I'll simply, what you do, the minute another divergence happens on the time frames you've selected down here, it will close the trade. Okay, so and you'll just put in classic. Okay, so what's likely to happen is you get a divergence here, signal here at this area. It'll only look to enter signals here with a threshold, so 10 pips before the comes down to the area, it'll start looking for signals. Okay, so you can change that. Okay, so the length of the signal here at the support line at the start of the zone, and the next likely opposite divergence is going to happen at the opposing resistance zone. So it will actually just exit there automatically. EA is programmed to exit on the next one approaching that zone. Okay, and it'll also, once it approaches here, it'll take the sell signal also. Okay, so all you need to do at the start of the day is load the EA, load the indicator onto the chart, identify your untested zones, either in the 4 or the daily. If you're trading weekly, monthly trades, you'll identify untested weekly and daily zones. But this is very good for day trading, okay, untested zones. Okay, you'll simply identify them, you'll enter your lines onto the chart, and the EA will simply, wherever it goes first. So if it goes down to the support first, it will trade at the support level first. If it goes to the resistance level, it will trade the resistance level first. You don't have to be sitting at the charts all day long. Simply let the price zone pro indicator it'll give you the zone straight away as soon as you want. As soon as it loaded onto the charts, like this one here untested, and the daily zone here untested. So you're needing to buy here, sell here, sell here. Okay, you load the EA onto the charts, you put in the settings onto the line, you'll have this RES and SUP in the bottom lines. You'll have the close at opposite divergence on, and it will only take signals on that as it's approaching those lines. So, okay, so the EA is loaded here. It won't take signals here. It's only going to start looking for signals down at the areas you want to trade at. So this saves, you don't know how much time this will save you. Okay, you can simply go across all your currency pairs during the day, have all your zones leveled up, add it onto the charts, and simply load the EA onto all your charts to simply let it trade away. So I really hope you're actually getting the magnitude of this, that you don't have to be sitting at your trading screen all day long waiting for price to come into these areas. Okay, you don't have to be waiting for price to come into the areas and waiting for the signal to happen as it comes into those areas. The EA is programmed to only take trades at these levels. It will only take signals on the time frames you've programmed it into trade. So very, very powerful. Okay, and the special offer today, now this is EA is only going to be on the market for 3 days. Okay, from today to Tuesday, well, Cyber Monday, it will become back off the market and will only ever be available to my private 6-month and yearly coaching clients. It's not even going to be available to my group coaching clients. Okay, so it'll be taken off the market. After today, you're going to get a very, put a value in this, the amount of time it's going to save you trading, the amount of money it can make you. You're talking thousands of dollars here. Okay, and you're going to get a super special price today, and you can scroll down and actually have a look at the price you're getting for this powerful system. So with the system, my friend, what you're going to be getting is the actual EA, support resistance EA. You're going to get the price pro indicator. okay, which will identify the zones for you. I'm also going to throw in the RSI divergence, support and resistance robot with this also. So it's going to be two EAs you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting the RSI divergence, support and resistance EA, but you're going to get the most important one, which is the FX ACE MACD divergence, support and resistance with it. So you're going to get two EAs, plus you're going to get 10 hours, well, over 10 hours worth of private coaching calls, recorded webinars that I've been doing over the past 3 months, totally based on this method that I use, price action. You're going to get over 10 or 12 hours worth of webinars included in this offer. And the offer will expire. My private coaching clients paid over $2,000 to get into the group coaching program a couple of months ago, and you're going to get access to the recordings with this offer for a limited time of 3 days. Okay, this offer will go away. The EA won't be back on the market after 3 days, so make sure you actually click the link and access this powerful offer. Okay, if you have any questions, get in contact with Will at the FXAce.com. There's not really more I can say. Like, if you want to completely automate your trading, your day trading, support and resistance, supply and demand, institutional buy and sell zones, level trading, this EA does it for you. It's got the perfect price action signal to get you into the market. All you have to do is the indicator identifies your zones. All you have to do is simply load the lines onto your chart, put RAS in them and SUP in them, and let the EA do the trading for you. So it's a completely automated day trading bot, and it's trading at institutional, bank, supply and demand areas, or support and resistance areas, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so click the link below. Access the system today. Again, you'll never be able to get access to this EA again after Monday. So make sure you access it today. If you have any questions, let me know at will@thefxace.com. Okay, speak to you soon. Thank you.